Okay. You could call this a rant. It's a little bit more of a kind of heads up as to exactly what's been going on, what is about to be going on, and what direction I want to move into. I'm conscious that I've got exploring subscribers, I'm conscious I've got van subscribers, probably even a few for the bike, and a few for the other little feature videos and stuff like that. Guys, I'm done. So last year, this van conversion was supposed to be quite a quick turnaround. I went away with work overseas for months over Christmas, not this year, just gone the year before, and that really had a negative effect on the channel. The channel was growing really well, it was the best growth that it's ever had, but then when I got back, all of last year I tried to get back to the momentum that we originally had, and it just didn't happen. And what I found myself doing was, I kind of trying to please everybody. So I started Feature Friday videos, I was doing 2 Minute Tuesday videos, I was doing van uploads. Because of lockdown I was struggling to get van bits, so I was trying to be creative. But it's kind of gone against me, it is the truth behind it. And this is a video to say that I'm done, enough's enough now. Last year and this year I've had a few companies mess me about. I had a big company in Devon last year contact me, I didn't contact them, they contacted me and said, right, we've got a bed layout that we're going to be producing soon. We want to send it you as an ambassador and want you to like help us promote it and stuff like that, and then after 2 years we'll have it back and all this kind of stuff. You know, it is a new experience, to be fair, and although I didn't get in this game for free thing, it is nice when people say, oh, we really like your stuff, you know, and what's the point? I'm trying to please everyone. That company said they was going to do this and that, they contacted me, I waited all of last summer for them. It then started to get later on in the year. The bed's a massive part of the conversion because I was unsure, without knowing what bed I'm going to be using and cookers, everything was built in, sliding out the back type of deal, without knowing exactly what I was going to get sent or what we was going to do to work together with. I couldn't buy anything, and that's why the van stalled, and it's because of those that everything stopped. But they just fobbed me off for the whole of the summer, and then it got to the point where they just stopped communication. Rather than say, oh, we're not interested anymore, or here's a heads up, they just fobbed me off, and then, boom, never heard from them again. And a couple of companies have done that this year. They've approached me about helping them out, or doing something for them, and then they've either changed their mind or something's happened, and then they just don't even contact me. I mean, it's just so unprofessional. I could discredit them on the video, I can't really be bothered, I'm not really into being negative. This little rant video has gone on long enough, but it was just a bit of a heads up to say, this is what's happened, that's why I lost momentum, it had a massive knock-on effect, and it's just, I've not really been able to catch back up. So, having said that, I'm going to go back to doing what I want to do. This channel, I built this channel to get myself out of the house because I was basically suicidal, and I wanted to get out exploring in the countryside, breathing fresh air, and it kind of went away towards the vans, which is fine, I really love the vans. But truth be told, there's no longevity in the van, because the whole of the UK is camping at the moment, so that's the last place I'm going to go, but I am going to finish it. Exploring was a ticking time bomb because so many kids and that started smashing things up and police all the time. It just got to the point I wanted to step away because you get a bad rep from it. So I'm just going to go to something I've always done, something I love doing, and something I'm going to actually be launching a brand with and for. And that's metal fabrication. That's creating great things, sculptures, metal art, like metal sculptures, bespoke stuff, custom stuff, car restoration, anything to do with metal fabrication, English wheels, anything like that. I'm kind of going to be introducing that. Now, don't worry, we're still going to be doing the van. I've got the bed, the rock and roll bed on the way. I've bought everything. I've got the cupboards and everything on the way, the floor, everything. So I'm going to be hard, fast and aggressive. I'm just going to throw it out there. I'm just going to do whatever I want to do. Then I'm going to start doing a couple of other stuff. The Chevette is outside now. That's ready for restoration. I've got my track car that I'm going to be restoring. I've got the course that I've just finished off. I've got another secret project that I've just bought. And as you can see, guys, I'm in the middle of vlogging this fabrication shop setup, if you like. As you can see, all this is to come. So please, guys, subscribe. Please like this video, comment below. It helps me out a lot. There's been a lot going on behind the scenes. I've took redundancy. I've had a newborn come. So actually, you are going to see some merch now. The stuff that I've never done, even though most YouTubers do it at like 400 subscribers. Man, buy my merch, man, boom, all that. I am going to start doing some merch. Guys who want to support the channel, that is welcome to that. I have just started a Patreon as well. I'm going to need a few weeks to actually get it up and running properly and to structure it, because anything I do I want it to be to a high standard, and I want anybody who supports this channel to get absolutely the maximum buck out of it. It's going to be some real great stuff coming through, guys. I'm really excited, and finally I'm just going back to doing me. I'm going to make and create some awesome things. I'm going to restore some awesome things. We're going to have some great days out back at the track. I'm going to get the car back onto the track, back 300-400 horsepower, and we're just going to enjoy it. And you know what? I'm not going to worry about subscriber counts. You know, people started YouTube last year and they've got 80,000 subscribers now. I've been doing it for years. You know, obviously I'm doing something wrong. I'm done, so I'm just gonna, you know, do what I want to do, build what I want to do, and hopefully you guys will enjoy it. Audios, camera upgrades are definitely coming. I've been saying it for way too long. I'm doing my own stuff from now on. I am going to finish the van. We're going to make some great things. Patreon is going to be available. It's going to be a small monthly payment. What would buy you, you'd probably spend more a day on a coffee, cup of coffee, and that would just be once a month, just to help support me. I've got to finish the layout, but it is coming, and also I've got some merch coming. I've got a bit of a brand that I'm going to be doing now as well, my own brand, finally, super excited. This part of the video, I'm filming this at the moment, this vlog, this is going to be a few days worth of vlogging, and honestly guys, this is going to be one to watch because I'm so stoked, and I am blessed and so grateful. So you know, if you're looking forward to that, let me know. But I'll shut up now because that's enough. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching this video. I'd imagine it's got a low count, a low view count, but if you have watched it, then let me know, and let's get doing some awesome things.